Waymo and Hyundai in talks to develop self-driving robotaxis. Hyundai Motor is set to team up with the Alphabet-owned Waymo to manufacture its self-driving vehicles, according to report. According to South Korea's reports, both companies met 3 times at the ride-hailing service headquarters to discuss the contract for the potential manufacturing of robotaxis. Following this partnership, Waymo's 6th-generation self-driving technology could be built upon the South Korean car manufacturer's Ioniq 5 electric vehicles, replacing China's Zeekr in the future. Notably, the report came after the decision of U.S. President Joe Biden's administration to increase tariffs on Chinese imports, which includes 100% duty on electric vehicles that's set to be effective from September 27. This partnership aims to start a new chapter in the growth of the automobile industry by using Hyundai's production expertise and Waymo's self-driving technology. It was also reported that all 3 companies, Hyundai, Waymo, and Zeekr, have declined to confirm or deny these reports. Zeekr added, "There's no change in our partnership with Waymo, and we're actively working together to manufacture the vehicles." Previously, Motional delayed its plans to launch a robotaxi service with Hyundai Ioniq 5 robotaxis until 2026. The self-driving technology unit of Hyundai Motor Group revealed that the decision comes as a result of the laid-off of its workers in the U.S. Currently, Waymo operates over 50,000 paid trips per week with its robotaxi service in 4 U.S. cities, including San Francisco, Phoenix, Los Angeles, and Austin.